Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to sell your Naught Coin in TONKEEPER wallet. So to do this procedure, what you have to do is you have to log in into your account first of all. And when you're logged in, go to the buy and sell section. On this page, you need to go ahead and locate Naught Coin. If you're unable to find it, you could also use the search bar tool. Over here, by default, you can see buy is already selected. But since we are selling the Naught Coin, so go to the sell section. And over here, you need to go ahead and select show all. And then you need to locate the asset. So let's say you're going with the Naught Coin. So over here, I'm unable to see the Naught Coin since I don't have Naught Coin. So first of all, I need to go ahead and add the Naught Coin. So I have to go ahead and add it to my account. And when you're done adding Naught Coin to your account, what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and press the buy and sell and then select Naught Coin. Since you'll not be able to directly sell the Naught Coin in TONKEEPER wallet, so what you can do is the alternative method is that you could simply send your Naught Coin to any other crypto apps like OKX or TONKEEPER or KuCoin, whichever is convenient for you. And for that, you need to press the send button, paste in the wallet address of the recipient, add a comment, enter the exact amount, and when you're done sending the transaction from the TONKEEPER wallet, you can go ahead and open up your external account or external wallet. So with that, you'll have successfully completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.